Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to see how you can create Kling AI account. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome in here. So after opening your browser, go to the search bar right here and start typing app.klingai.com. So after you have typed that down, tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Kling AI. In here you can see this is the official website and all you have to do is click on this option sign in right here. We have to click on sign in order to create yourself an account because we don't currently have any sign up option right now. So since we don't have any account, it will lead you to the creating your account. So after clicking on it here, you can see there's the option of sign in with your Google. So if you want to create your account with your Google, you can click on this, or if you want to link your account with your Apple, you can click on sign in with Apple. So if you want to create yourself an account manually, you can click on this option, sign in with email. So after clicking on it here, you will be able to see the option of don't have an account, sign up for free. All you have to do is click on this option, sign up for free. And now in here you can see this is your create an account page of Kling AI. And all you have to do is first of all add in your email address in here. And after writing down your email address, now create yourself a strong password for your Kling AI account. Remember the password should at least be 8 characters. After creating a password, now type in your password one more time for the confirmation in here. After you've done that, all you have to do is click on this option next. And now all you have to do is solve this small puzzle for your verification. So simply just solve it. Now a verification code has been sent to your mail. So simply just open your mail inbox. Here you can see this is my verification code. So simply just copy it and go back to the page and paste it right there. Here, paste in right here. And after doing so, all you have to do is click on this option, sign in. And just like this, you have now successfully created yourself a Kling AI account. For the confirmation, you can click right here. And here you can see this as your profile. And like this, you would have now confirmed that you have created yourself a Kling AI account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.